In this video, I'm going to show you how to install iOS 18 wallpaper on your iPhone. Then there's no need to download the wallpaper from a third-party website. You can just set the iOS 18 wallpaper as your iPhone wallpaper if your device is running on iOS 18. So if at the end of this video, you found this video helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing you want to do to know whether you can easily install iOS 18 wallpaper on your iPhone or not is go to your iPhone settings. Then one of the settings page, you need to click on General, select General, click on that. Now once you click on General, click on Software Update. Here, you'll be able to find out whether your iPhone is running on iOS 18 or not. If you're not running on iOS 18, you'll not be able to use the iOS 18 wallpaper. But if your iPhone is running on the latest iOS 18 version, then you'll be able to download and install the wallpaper as your iPhone wallpaper. Now once you can confirm that, the next thing you want to do is you want to scroll down on the settings page and click on Wallpaper. Once you selected that, then you should see your current wallpaper here. Now, to get the iOS 18 wallpaper, all you need to do is click on Add New Wallpaper. Then you'll be given a variety of options here to set your wallpaper. Just scroll down to the bottom of the page until you get to where it says iOS 18. You see this? That is the iOS 18 wallpaper. Then scroll through, you can see we only have 4 of them. Then select which of the wallpaper you want to set as your iPhone wallpaper. So in this case, let's go with this one. Then once you agree with that, you can just play around the filter to see which of the wallpaper you want to use. But in this case, I prefer to use the default, which is the pink. Then click on this, be able to turn on or turn off depth effect on your wallpaper. You see that? Now click on the appearance icon here, and then you'll be able to choose between light mode or dark mode or automatic appearance on your iPhone wallpaper. You see that? This is light and this is dark. Now you can also automate it. Then once that is done, click on the Add button at the top right. Then you should see what that says. Do you want to use this as a customized home screen or wallpaper PS? So in this case, let's go with wallpaper PS. Then hang on, then you should see it set as current. Now if you go back to your iPhone, you should see the new wallpaper set as your iPhone wallpaper. So this is how you can easily use iOS 18 wallpaper on iPhone without downloading it. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and subscribe.